Montreal, the ongoing truckers' protest in the Canadian capital is now completely out of control, the Ottawa mayor said Sunday as the city centre remained blocked by opponents of anti-COVID measures. The protesters, who first reached the capital on January 29, have parked their big rigs on city streets and put up tents and temporary shacks, paralyzing the capital to the consternation of officials and the mounting frustration of many residents. The situation at this point is completely out of control, Mayor Jim Watson told a local radio station, adding that the protesters have far more people than we have police officers. Clearly, we are outnumbered and we are losing this battle, he told Siakara Radio. This has to be reversed, we have to get our city back. Watson called the truckers insensitive, as they have continued blaring horns and sirens and fireworks, and turning it into a party. The demonstrations began as protests by truckers angry with vaccine requirements when crossing the US-Canadian border, but have morphed into broader protests against COVID-19 health restrictions and the government of Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. Locals have complained of the ceaseless sound of air horns and of being harassed, insulted or blocked by the protesters. The truckers and their supporters have dug in, however, saying the protests will continue until the COVID-related restrictions are lifted. Similar if smaller demonstrations hit the cities of Toronto, Quebec and Winnipeg on Saturday. Police in Quebec said some 30 big trucks were blocking a major artery and had been warned they would face fines if they did not move soon. In an emergency meeting Saturday with Ottawa officials, Police Chief Peter Slowly complained that he lacked the resources to end what he called a siege, and asked for reinforcements. Watson, in his interview, said 60 new Royal Canadian Mounted Police officers had been sworn in on Saturday to help manage the protest, and that more would be added within days. This group is a threat to our democracy, City Council member Diane Dean said Saturday. What we're seeing is bigger than just a City of Ottawa problem, this is a nationwide insurrection. This is madness. The police said Sunday that they had issued some 450 tickets since Saturday morning, for a variety of mostly minor infractions including excessive noise and use of fireworks, though one truck that turned out to be stolen was seized. They said extremely disruptive protesters had in some cases endangered public safety, causing unacceptable distress to local residents. Police have opened 97 investigations into possible criminal offenses, the statement said. In addition, it said, the police are actively working with Canadian, US and international security agencies/authorities to investigate email-based threats to public officials. Adblock test why.